History of an event management. Now, history of event management is divided into three eras: ancient ages, middle ages, and modern ages. Let's consider ancient ages first. In ancient ages, Cleopatra was the first known event planner, and she was famous for hosting the fancy dinners just to impress her lovers. In that time, events were organized to encourage peace and friendship between two communities. And when we talk about communication, at that time it was very limited. Message was hand delivered and it could take months to deliver those messages. Let's talk about Middle Ages now. Madame Pompadour was a famous and skilled event planner who used to organize events. Now, event planning was still continued and now was in representation or the sign of royalty and wealth. The growth of industrialization was increasing, so was the need for the meeting and events. The economy was increasing, the business owner had more reason to collaborate event or to attend event. The growth of transportation was also increased, and this was a plus point for an event planners who could travel from one place to another place very easily. Many organizations, political parties, and business owners started to organize events and bring people together just to share like-minded beliefs. Example from the movie Beauty and the Beast, and in this example you can see that they both are having a meal, decorated candles, meals on the table. All of this require a lot of coordination and planning. In real time, when you observe any event, festival, or wedding, all of that will require two things. And these two things are the main element: your coordination and your planning. Without these two, your event is not going to be successful. So you need to consider these two elements thoughtfully and plan and coordinate your event very carefully. Modern ages. Events are now considered as a profession. Obviously, the complexity of events have increased and is increasing day by day, but that is what an event planners are for. You can hire event planners to coordinate your events, and you can also take help from volunteers to help you organize your event. If you like this video, please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel.